Hi, in this video we are going to practice using there was and there were with how much and how many. The objective then is to use there was and there were to ask and answer questions with how much and how many. Let me review with you what how much and how many mean. How much is an expression that we use in questions when we are asking about the quantity of something that is singular. And how many, we use it to ask about the quantity of something that is plural. That means that we are using how much with uncountable nouns, things that we cannot count, and we're using how many with countable nouns. Let's see some examples. How much sugar was there in the jar when you opened it? Right? Sugar is singular, it's a non-count or uncountable noun, and that's why we use how much sugar was there, by the way. How many apples were there in the fridge this morning? How many? Because it's plural, and were there because apples is plural as well. They are countable nouns. Apples are countable nouns. Apples is a countable noun. Let's have some practice with this. First of all, with how much and how many. Complete the following pairs of questions with how much or how many. Pluralize the nouns if necessary. Actually, you will need to pluralize several nouns, means that put them in the plural form. So look at them. All you have to do is add how much or how many, and if you're using how many, you need to make that noun plural most of the times. All right, see, can you count them? Can you not count them? Use how much or how many. All right, so think about it for a moment, pause my video, complete the activity, and when you're done, come back to see the answers. All right, go ahead, pause my video, complete this exercise, please. All right, thank you. I hope that you did pause the video, and here are the answers. How many gifts did you get? How many guests were there at your party? Many, because you can count them. How much water did you drink? How many bottles do you need? How many degrees is it outside? How many coats do you own? How much money did you need? How many pesos were there in your piggy bank? You can count the pesos. You can't count money. You say how much money, but how many pesos? How many cups of juice do you want to make? How many oranges were there in the kitchen? How many sugar cubes do you want? How much sugar was there in the bag? All right, if we're talking about sugar in general, as a non-count noun, we use how much. All right, that was pretty easy, I hope. The tricky thing was to pluralize the nouns, I understand. Let's have another practice activity. Write questions using how much and how many, and was there or were there, and the nouns provided. All right, you have the word luck, like fortune, time, traffic, printer, paperclip. So those are the nouns that you need to ask questions with how much and how many. So analyze first which are countable, which are uncountable, and with that information you choose how much or how many. All right, go ahead, pause my video, complete the activity, please. All right. Thank you. Thank you very much for having completed the activity. And here are some sample questions. All right. How much luck really was there in your lucky charm? If you have something that you keep for luck, how much luck was there? All right. How much time was there for you to finish your birthday preparations? Wow, this is an elaborate question. How much time was there left? Oh, was there. Was there any traffic on the way here? Was there any traffic? Was there a printer in the computer lab? Were there any paper clips left at the store? Yes. So we use how much. We use we could have said how many paper clips were there left at the store. Yeah, but this is enough. And we needed to choose much, how much and how many, because some of them were singular and some were plural. These are just some sample questions, but I hope that you have something similar to this. What is important to me is that if it is singular, you use much or there was. All right. If it is plural, you use many and there were. All right. Thank you. Thank you for having completed that activity. And now we've come to the main one. It says, one of your classmates lost his pencil case and your classmates want to donate school supplies to replace what your classmate lost. Write a short conversation in which you ask your classmate about the content of his lost pencil case. Right? So think about the activity for a moment. One of the classmates lost something, which is a pencil case, and it has many school supplies. Ask them about the quantity of the things that he had there so that everybody can donate things to replace them. All right? Think about the situation, write the conversation, and when you're ready, you resume the video. For now, pause it and complete the activity, please. All right, thank you for doing that. And now I would like to show you some sample conversation that some students wrote, and here it is. I'm sorry that you lost your pencil case. We can help you replace some supplies. Thank you, a girl says. I had it with me all morning and after lunch I didn't have it in my backpack. Now comes the questioning about how many and how much they had. How many colored pencils did you have? I had 24 colored pencils. And how many erasers? There was only one eraser, right? How about pens? How many pens did you have? I had 4 pens in my pencil case. How much glue did you have? You could also say how much glue was there in your pencil case. I had 1 small bottle. Okay, here we collected all your items. You have them back. Oh, again, thank you very much. That's very nice of you all. You're welcome, says. All right. So in this case, the conversation involved the past tense, and the most important thing here is that you used how much and how many correctly. As you can see, we cannot lose track of everything that we have learned, and with this activity, we practiced the past tense and we had some instances of there was and there were, because all that is important for us to talk about things that existed in the past. All right, now listen to the pronunciation of this conversation, and as you listen, as usual, please repeat with the native speakers. Go ahead.
I'm sorry that you lost your pencil case. We can help you replace some supplies.
Thank you. I had it with me all morning, and after lunch, I didn't have it in my backpack.
How many colored pencils did you have?
I had 24 colored pencils.
And how many erasers?
There was only 1 eraser.
How about pens? How many pens did you have?
I had 4 pens in my pencil case.
How much glue did you have?
I had 1 small bottle.
Okay, here, we collected all your items. You have them back.
Oh, again, thank you very much. That is very nice of you all.
You're welcome.
All right, thank you very much. Thank you for having done that. And with this, we have practiced, remember, how much for singular, how many for plural, with uncountable, countable nouns. And the most important thing here is that you see if whether a noun can be pluralized or not, and if it can be made plural, we usually ask with how many, right? If not, we use how much. Thank you very much for having completed the activity, and I'll see you in the next one.